I'm at Aros Park here on the island of Mull. First basket is down on the left of that tree at the end there. And the first tee, which hasn't been built yet, is over where my bag is. This course has been put in by the Forestry Commission of Scotland, and this first hole's the only open one. The rest of them are very much through the forestry. There's a box of discs to borrow should you want to come and play here and you don't have your own discs. It looks like it did go a bit long here. Here's the second hole, and this is what the tee boxes will look like. They're a little bit short. It's going to look great when it's finished. Some of the tee boxes still being built, and looks like this one could do with a bit more gravel in it. This is where your run-up needs to be pretty compact. What a tricky hole this. A lot of things to hit. All the baskets just through there in the light. Concrete tee pad for hole 4, and this is quite a heave up the hill. The basket's just on the left of that telegraph pole. The flow's a bit all over the place at the moment, but maybe that'll get better. I've just come down the fairway of 4 to get to hole 5, which is an absolute cracker. A lovely tee box there, and the hole perched up on the little hill over there. I think that might be in the sea. Okay, so there's the basket up there, and unfortunately my He Waka Waka is now down there. It's as well that the tide was out, because this disc here would have been in the water. Okay, it was worth it for the view. Yeah, if you've ever thrown a He Waka Waka, you'll know that they glide for days. Putter was definitely the right play on that hole. James Conrad's not going to like this tee. It's a pretty hole though, nice shot through the trees there. Oh, the walk up to this next tee is very beautiful. We hear the waterfall in the background there. Let's just go and have a quick look and see if we can see that. Oh yes. Okay. Tee box here. This is the par 4. It's only 92 meters, but what looks like an impenetrable wood, and then the basket's off to the right beyond all the trees there. So I'm just going to try and go up the middle here so I can see the basket for the second shot. So I just drove up to here. I'm there. The basket is there, so I'm kind of too far or too short of where I really wanted to be. I'm sure if you had a good forehand, you'd be sorted here. Tee pad for hole 8 is not quite finished yet, and if I hold the camera up, you might be able to see the top of the basket. This is a really pretty basket location. It's not entirely clear where the next tee is, but I'm guessing it's going to be here somewhere. And quite an intimidating fairway, turning from left to right, and the basket just down there behind some trees. My putter didn't get quite as far as I'd hoped. Tough little shot here. So that's hole 9, and that's where it ends, which is a bit odd because we're still way up here in the forest. In fact, I'm going to have to walk back down hole 4's fairway to get back to the start, which makes me wonder if perhaps they might do more holes. It'd be great to have a sort of epic last hole taking you back down somewhere near the start. There's certainly lots of land here, so who knows, perhaps they'll do that. I hope so. It's got a real potential. Very enjoyable little 9 if you're heading out to Mull. And that'll do for now. Bye-bye.